Today we discuss a very sad issue, the death of a colleague, the death of a journalist and a social activist. Gauri Lankesh, the editor of Gauri Lankesh Patrike, was brutally murdered yesterday evening at her residence in Rajarajeshwari Nagar colony in Bangalore. There was absolutely no reason for this to have happened other than intolerance. This is what scares us journalists the most. People who cannot tolerate, people who do not understand, people who do not want us to speak out, coming after us. It could be Gauri Lankesh today, it could be any one of us tomorrow. This is a very, very sad day for Indian journalism. We only wish, pray and hope that the reason for this murder is something else, something other than intolerance. If it is intolerance, then there is a grave question mark over the profession of journalism or over our public discourse, the freedom of expression that we have taken for granted all these decades in our public life. This is not an ordinary incident. It is not because any one of us is more important than any other citizen of this country. Definitely not. We are not privileged. We are not entitled. We are just like any other citizens of this country. Only thing is that our job is to speak out. Our job is to speak out against the establishment. Our job is to speak out against what we find wrong with our society. We are just the naysayers. So when one of us gets killed, we only always hope that it is not for what she has been speaking out. It is not for what she has been writing about. Hopefully it is about something else. This is not an isolated incident. I think August is a bad month for people who speak out against the establishment. Narendra Dabholkar was killed on 20th August 2013. M.M. Kalburgi, 77-year-old former Vice Chancellor of the Hampi University, was killed on 30th of August 2 years ago, 2015. And now Gauri Lankesh getting killed on 5th of September 2017. The saddest part is that all fingers are being pointed at Hindutva forces, all fingers are being pointed at the right-wing, intolerant, extremist groups. But Narendra Dabholkar was killed when Congress was in power in Maharashtra. Gauri Lankesh was killed. M.M. Kalburgi was killed in Karnataka when Siddaramaia's Congress government was in power in Karnataka. Now Gauri Lankesh is being killed when Siddaramaia's Congress government is in power in Karnataka. So this goes beyond party politics. It is the duty of the government of the day to ensure safety of life and property for all its citizens. Law and order is a state subject. However many times we underline this, it is still not enough. So before getting into a discussion on all these murders, Pranay, Gauri was in a way your colleague. You are all part of the same group, Anand Bazar Patrika.
That's right.
Just tell us about your association.
See, I was in Kolkata in those days when Gauri had joined. I mean, she was working for Sunday magazine. And then I moved to Delhi and we knew about each other. Not a regular interaction, but yes, Gauri, and then she was married to a friend also. That is how I knew about her.